everybody, and welcome to the Knitting Academy. Thank you for being here. I just wanted to share an exciting new announcement at the Knitting Academy, and that is that we just launched our second online free course, How to Make a Beginner's Hat. So I'm super excited about this course. It offers a lot of customization for anywhere from a beginner knitter to an intermediate knitter, somebody who may want to try to learn how to add stripes to their work, somebody who may want to try ribbing. So there are a lot of different options. There's a free pattern download with this course, so make sure you check out the description and go print your pattern today. So I'm really excited about this. As with our course, all of our courses, they're designed to teach you everything you need to know every step of the way as if you're part of a live in-person knitting class. The great thing about it is that you can work at your own pace, check in with us as you need it, and we have videos set up to help you with everything that you're going to need to know. So I gotta say first, I am a huge Packer fan. Go Pack Go! So I worked on these hats for the upcoming football season in our green and gold. So you could add stripes if you want to come up with your own team colors, or you can just do a solid color, totally up to you. Again, you can customize it any way that you want. So I'm super excited about football season coming up, and I'm super excited about our new course. Go Pack Go! So please check out the course. It is set up in a playlist. You're going to start with video 1 and progress through the videos as they're published. We have a couple that are live and ready to go, and please subscribe today so that you are notified whenever we release new content. We're going to be adding videos each week until the course is fully live. So make sure you subscribe today so you don't miss a beat. Again, thank you for being here. Please check out our other free class on our YouTube channel, which is also a separate playlist, How to Knit an Awesome Scarf for Beginners. Both of these courses have lots of cool tips and tricks and how-tos, so maybe you don't need help knitting a whole scarf, you just maybe want to check out some of the different things that we cover. We also have a separate playlist just for knitting tips and tricks, like little things that maybe an expert knitter might know, but a beginner would really benefit from learning. So check it out, explore around our channel, let me know if you have any questions, and please check out our new course. I'm super excited and I can't wait to see you there. Happy knitting! Go Pack Go!